Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up your Wise business account from scratch. This is very useful if you want to if you want to manage international payments efficiently and securely. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to the official wise.com/business website. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is click the sign up button, and you will just have to wait for it to load. And basically, you will have to select business account if you haven't already, and then you will just have to fill your email and password. And then after that, you will enter your company name, your business type, and registration number. And then you will add your admin info and contact details. And then the next step for that is you will verify your identity by uploading your identity documents for owners or admins. And then of course, you will also upload your proof of business registration, and you could also link bank accounts. So you will add your UK business account and add recipient accounts for transfers. And once that's all done, you could just, explore the dashboard. You could learn to navigate the transfers, the balances, and history. And of course, you have to enable the notifications and security features. So yeah, if you wanna know more, everything about Wise, you should just, explore the website so that you will be able to actually maximize all of its features. And yeah, that's how you can set up your Wise business account, and now you're ready to send and receive payments internationally with ease. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.